In this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you the best Jurassic Genesis codes in 2026. I've managed to find some Roblox Jurassic Genesis codes that are going to grant you with thousands of free credits. You can unlock all dinos, including the infamous D-Rex. I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and obtain these Jurassic Genesis codes. Before I show you them, I'm doing a Robux giveaway, and to enter this giveaway you simply have to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But anyway, guys, this video is focusing on Roblox Jurassic Genesis codes, so sit back, relax, follow all of the instructions and learn how to obtain your very own codes. So what you're going to want to do is use your mobile internet browser just to get your codes. As you can see, I've been searching on Google and also watched other YouTube videos, but basically you need to use your mobile internet. Go to www.crashcoupons.com. So type it like this, Crash Coupons. And what this is, guys, this is a game code website that don't only have Roblox games, they have pretty much every other game as well. But you should use the search bar to navigate your way to the Jurassic Genesis Roblox codes page. There are a couple of verified codes on this page here, so go ahead and scroll down. You can get 1 million free credits in Jurassic Genesis, and you can unlock all dinosaurs for free. That includes the D-Rex and others. So I'm just going to select the credits code for this example. As you can see, this is going to get 1 million credits for free. Now you need to click on show full code. And these are limited codes. There's 217 at the minute. So what this is going to do, this is going to search for a valid code. So let's just wait for it to do that. And now it's popped up here. It says your code is ready and will be revealed after verification. So because these are limited codes and 1 million credits is pretty desirable, as you can imagine, people actually create bots to steal all of the codes. So you need to unlock yours. So to do that, click on this button. It's going to bring you to this screen here, and you just need to follow the instructions to get your Jurassic Genesis code. So you need to complete 2 of the free app or survey offers below to unlock your code. So basically, guys, you're going to have a list of tasks on this screen, and you need to make sure you follow the instructions below each of the 2 that you choose. So you need to complete 2 tasks. They're all completely free, and they take a few minutes each to complete. They're really easy things. Like this one says download, install this app and create an account. So yeah, they're like really easy things like mobile apps and stuff. So just follow the instructions, and if you do 2 of those, it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Jurassic Genesis code for your free credits will be revealed and you redeem it in game. And that's going to get you 1 million free credits, but you can also get all dinosaurs as well, which is an awesome code. So go to Crash Coupons. Any questions, guys, let me know. I am doing that Robux giveaway, so do make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.